Hello, I'm Marcel, and today I want to show you the progress on my new operating system, Marcelo OS. And this is made with ComputerCraft 1.31 in a Minecraft 1.1 server, my own server, which I'm running local in my network. Yeah, so it's a multi-threading operating system with a Windows API and a network protocol, which may sound very awesome if you hear it, but it's basically very simple. Such like 1,000 lines of code. First I want to show you how my OS is made, and then I will show you some cool programs for networking, server client programs like this. So first of all, we're gonna restart the operating system, and we see it's using some bootloader to boot into various operating systems. Here it's CraftOS or my Marcelo OS. You see it takes some time to boot. This is because of debugging and development. First of all, I will show you my APIs. To see a list of all my APIs, we go to the APIs startup field, which will initialize all APIs. First of all, or second to all, these are the basic APIs, which do not a lot. Pass is giving you some paths about where the operating system is set, where the program file folder is, so and so on. Vec3 is an API for tables to multiply two tables of integer and so on. And strings is just some basic string operation, mainly for save and load data. Now some advanced stuff. The IP API managed to send some some data from a client to a server, and also over a DHCP server or more DHCP server. For that, I will show you some networking stuff, or how to tell it. This is a DHCP server. We have here another active DHCP server. These two are inactive. This one is also active, inactive, another active one, two inactive, and the last active one. This is mainly because I'm in development and I don't need to have this 16-meter range, which will only occur if there's a blizzard or storm or however to call it. And this is a client. It's mainly for advertisement, and yes. My brother has a question. Yeah. Do I want to cut that out later, or just show you? Yep. Currently, I'm making a video. And he knows that I'm making a video. Oh, great. This is his home. And yeah, okay. So this is a client, there's a server, and we want to send and he is very bad in English, even worse than me. So, like you saw, he's speaking German. I'm also, English is not my mother tongue, like you can see here. So, this is a client, and it has some basic window, nothing special. But this window, or what the client will show up, is sent over the local internet. Therefore this is sweet, which will look quite nicer if it's finished. Just to say, it had also some whales in it, just for fun. So we have some IP protocol. Oh yeah, okay. The boot files change after every boot. LPS is a local positioning system, like a global positioning system, but it's local on one PC. It doesn't use triangulation. It just saving the local position of the turtle and the direction, and every time the turtle makes a step forward, it will add a 1 to the position. It's very basic. MOS doesn't use to tell you a lot of it about it, because it's a very old IPA which basically does nothing. MView is a cool IPI. MView is display driver. Yeah, a real display driver for setups with multiple monitors. Like you can see here, it's a bit buggy. You can run programs through multi-monitor system. Yeah, it's -5 and it's -1 of course. Wait a second. I want to boot now. Not wait 10 seconds. Of course, you can edit this in the settings. So now I've done the configuration right, and like you can see, now this window is on top and it's going through multiple monitors. This is all what MView does. It creates a virtual monitor over more physical monitors. Windows, yeah, you saw the Windows API. Every task has a Windows, to be fast. The task can even create endless windows, and these are double buffered, or to be exactly triple buffered, so that there's no flicker, or how to say it in English. So every program is writing its own window. And mtask is basically the IPA which you have seen some time ago, which is making these programs running at the same time, 3 independent programs, even 4. There's a DHCP server running, which I can show you. Simple server, and like you can remember, we have this client here, which is giving us some word advertising. So we want to change this. I will edit the server program. It's in /1s. From computer. That's the client. That's the server. And like you can see, it's very simple. First, with application, this is a variable. Events are a bit different on the system because you have multiple programs running at the same time. You cannot ask for events like you do it, like you done it before, because otherwise all the program has to wait. Or to be exactly, if you do it like you are using it before, your program will simply crash. So you have events, and then you have to ask for your events, like maybe in the PC program. Maybe I will show that to you later, or not. Basically it's a while true loop, and it just sent a message over IP. Nil, the client from where I'm sending is nil, so he will automatically take the currently computer ID, in this factor 10. You want to achieve the PC 130, and the DHCP server used for this is in some cases it's nil. In some cases I say I want to use 119. When it's nil, the program will automatically choose some DHCP server. 102 is a port. Here I have space for some meta information I want to send wherever I've done this, and here I send messages. Currently I have a little interpreter, 2 lines of code. On the other PC, if he receives the message clear, then he will clear the screen. anything else will be printed. Jetzt neu, it's some German phrase for new, or our new product. No, it's not from Microsoft. It's marcelOS, and it's on YouTube. And no, this is not my logo. My logo is hello guys. They are on YouTube and XD and whatever I want to say. And application window. Also, and I've just want to say went a message that I'm really running. Yep, this is over internet. Point. Save it, and of course I will edit with toString the value of count. Like you see, count will get increased every step, but that won't be seen because the window size is not really high. So I don't think I have to restart the client, only to restart the server, put into marcelOS, and then run over my cool route and use my industry of boots. Running to the server and time set. Look, I'm falling down. Wait. You see it? Our new product on YouTube over internet. Whatever the number, it's a bit flickering. Whatever. marcelOS, hello guys, they're on YouTube. Yeah, this is over the real internet. So at this point I will just stop the video, and if you have some wishes what I should do next, or if I should show you something, or if I should release the code under the general public license or whatever, then just write it in the comments below, or don't write it, and if you like it then you like it, and if you don't like it then dislike it, de-abo me, desubscribe and kill me, and whatever you want to do or not. Yeah, like this. Have a nice day, and I hope you had a nice Easter.